how to get more cleaning jobs this spring. Here's what's working right now. These are top marketing tactics that I'll recommend to you that work the most often for really any cleaning business. Some of them require budget, some of them don't require much budget, but this is perfect for where we're at right now to get the pump primed for spring. Some areas, spring, you're almost ready for it. Some areas, you're going to be ready for it in several weeks. This is stuff to pay attention to right now. A little bit about me in case you don't know me real quick. I owned a cleaning company for 22 years where we were one of the highest priced, most well-known carpet tile rug cleaning companies in my city. Some of these principles I'm about to show you actually were applied to my cleaning company, and all of them are ones that I've recommended to my clients that have worked really, really well. So let's just get right into it. Step one, past client marketing. This is a big one if you've been in business for more than 2 years because you have past clients and you know that they hire a cleaning company. Why not market to them? So the first thing that I'm going to recommend is text message marketing. These are some of the comments that I've actually gotten from my coaching clients when I've actually either recommended text message marketing or helped some of my coaching clients through text message marketing. And nearly always it's been one of the best returns that they've ever done for any marketing that they've done. And some of the times it's just a simple well-wish message. Other times it's actually a reminder message for it's been 6 months, 12 months, whatever the case may be. But text message marketing can be huge. Do it and have it in place in your cleaning company right now. Now, if you don't already know, you have to have specific software to be able to do it. If you send it from your phone, it could get you a bad reputation. It's not what you want to do. We do have software that we give all of my coaching club members for free that you can use to do mass texting and do it the legal and do it the right way. If you're interested in that, see the link below this video. As well, the software does emails, and I highly recommend that you do emails however you do it. And typically what I'm going to recommend is your email going along with the same theme that the postcard that we're about to get into goes into as well. So, for example, we have postcards that talk about 3 reasons to get your carpet and rugs clean. We'll send them an email along those same effects. We've already got emails already created and done inside of the software that you can get inside of the coaching program. As well, just educational stuff sent to your clients. They're wondering about stains in their carpet. They're wondering about their tile. They're wondering about how this stuff can be taken care of and what the best practices are. It's your job as their cleaning company to educate them about all this stuff. And then also turn around and follow those messages up or even precede those messages with a good postcard. So just a reminder about spring. This is just a kind of a comical postcard that we recently came up with. On the other side, special offers for spring cleaning. QR codes, pictures of your van, letting them know that they've been a past client and you're coming back to them, educating them, and just reminding them to get cleaning done. Here's another great postcard. This is actually a giant gift card, if you will, where we give our special friends, clients, a special offer for spring cleaning. And in this case, it's not just $25 off, it's $25 off of a different kind of cleaning when they get our primary cleaning done. So usually $25 of free additional cleaning when they get our minimum amount for carpet cleaning is what this particular offer is. Don't get bogged down with the offer. The big thing is do it. Do something to market your past clients. They're always wondering why their tile gets dirty. Why not educate them about that? They're always wondering what Scotchgard does. Why not educate them about that? They're always wondering why they should get their carpet cleaned every year. It's your job to educate them about that. Again, not only in postcard fashion, but in the fashion of an email, sometimes even a text. Texts are very small, so it's not always possible to educate a whole lot, but on some occasions, sure. Educate them about tile and grout. Educate them about ice melt and how that can actually ruin their floor, because they're a little bit worried about that right now and that salt that's being tracked in. It's your job to educate them all about that. Then, of course, too, if you haven't heard from them in a while, Spring is a great time to give them a "we haven't heard from you in a long time" flyer, letter, postcard. This one we've actually done for many of my coaching clients. I actually did the same thing in my own cleaning company. And some of the times this has been the best marketing that we've ever done to actually do that type of a reminder message to past clients. So we've got all these postcards already designed for you. All you have to do is pick one out and tell us which one that you want. We'll actually customize it for you with your logo. We can print them up for you for pretty much cheaper than you can get anywhere else if you're a current ad coaching club member. For as little as for these larger 5.5 by 8.5 inch postcards for $1,098, $5,209. And if you'd like, we can actually mail them for you. Our printer can actually label them and mail them to your entire list for around 45 cents per postcard. That's provided that averages if you're sending about 1,000 at a time. We can actually do those for you. If it's less than 1,000, we can still do those for you, but just a little bit more per postcard. So after you've marketed to your past clients, now you need to get other businesses to refer you and work on those referral relationships. Realtors, rug galleries, flooring retailers, vet offices, pet groomers, furniture retailers, insurance companies, general contractors, interior designers, all of these people referred my cleaning business on a regular basis. And here's the catcher. They nearly always referred us really, really good clients. Okay? When we marketed to them and when we educated them with all of the postcards I just showed you, or things like that. As well, we would go and visit them and bring them a goodie bag with some of our literature and goodies, gift cards, things that educated them and let them know that we are professional enough to know what we're doing to be able to educate you all at the same time. I don't know how many retailers and realtors looked at the brochures that we would actually give them and go, wow, you really care about educating your clients. They cared about that, and it set us apart from a lot of the other cleaning companies in town. And there were a lot of cleaning companies in town. The gift cards, that's sort of a staple part of that, a gift card toward your service. As well, neighborhood marketing. Usually in the United States, every door direct mail is usually the better way to do it. Not always, but in most cases, where we actually go and we do either radius targeting or send an entire mail route to the high-end neighborhoods that we actually want to reach. Usually a large postcard. This is an 8 by 10 inch postcard. Usually it's about 40 cents per home to target these neighborhoods with these huge postcards. And they're so big, they can't be missed inside of the mail. We give our guarantee, and of course we give them a special neighborhood-only special offer. And now here's the thing. Don't get bogged down with what the offer is. But in a nutshell, the offer is nearly never just like a discount off of our service. It's a free trial of sorts. It's a free amount of cleaning, but they're designed to cross-sell. So we're selling more than one thing when we actually go out to do the cleaning for them. Of course, we got smaller postcards, larger postcards, reminder postcards, etc. Again, other messages as well. Water damage restoration messages, tile cleaning messages, you name it. We've got lots of those templates inside of the coaching club. And of course, power washing and other services as well. You can target by income, you can target by neighborhood, or you can even do 5 arounds, 10 arounds, 50 arounds, the homes that you just cleaned, to let them know that you have a client on their very same street. That type of message can be very, very powerful to do it that way. And then last that I'm going to recommend is, of course, Google Ads. Now, here's the thing about Google Ads. You do have to have a decent website. It doesn't have to be super pretty, but it has to sell. You have to have proven that you're trusted enough for them to pick up the phone and call you. Running a Google ad campaign to a website that does not convince them that you can be trusted probably is a waste of money. And again, we've got modules and I've got help where I can review your website and show you how to make sure that it actually sells, that you're actually proving to your prospects that go to your website that you are the trusted company that they need to hire. You can target by neighborhoods, by cities, by zip codes, whatever you want to do. But Google Ads, if you've got a good website that actually convinces them that you can be trusted, it can be a great thing to do for as little as $400 or $500 per month. So definitely think about doing that. Here's the thing, guys. Do as many of these things as you can possibly afford to do and you have time to do fast. The faster you do it, the better it is. Money loves speed. You can get all of these templates and help and coaching and getting all of this stuff done that we talked about in this video. I personally coach many cleaners on how to improve their marketing, on how to improve their business. I personally do Google Ads. We do website design, all sorts of other stuff. Whatever it is that you need, if you have a cleaning or restoration company, something we can help you with. As well, a lot of the templates, all the templates I showed you for everything in this video are part of my ad coaching club. The link is down below. In the coaching club, we do the design for you free once per month. Check that out. We'd love to have you part. Let me know how we can help. Let me know if you need help mailing and doing any of this stuff for you. That's what we're here for. And of course, within the coaching club, we have the software to be able to help you text, email, and get all of that stuff done. Click the link below this video. Check out the details. I'd love to help you grow your cleaning business.